Aloha. I'm Andy. In this video we will find out if this Patriot burst 120GB SSD will meet the marketing speeds. Almost everybody is testing the HDD with 1GB file, but I noticed if I test it with a bigger file the speed is dropping down even with 50%. So, in this video I will benchmark the Patriot burst 120GB SSD with 1GB file versus 8GB file. The product code for this SSD is PBU120GS25SSDR. I'm curious how will perform this SSD, because in the official datasheet says, and I'm quoting, burst offers transfer speeds at up to 560 MB per second read and 540 MB per second write speeds to eliminate bottlenecks. The test is made on SATA 3, the SSD is empty and the operating system is on the Kingston SSD. In the left side we see the test with 1GB file and in the right side we see the test with 8GB. Every test is made for 5 times. Because this will take a long time I speed up the video at 1.5 of the real time. In the reading test we don't see much discrepancy, but in the write section is a big discrepancy, sometime is even 4 times slower the 8GB file speed, than the 1GB file speed. Unfortunately this SSD does not meet the marketing speeds nor in reading, nor in writing test. I recommend this SSD only for, who has SATA 1 and SATA 2 port or doesn't afford an expensive SSD. I have to give a thumb down for this product and my advice is to avoid this SSD. In my next video I will benchmark this SSD with a 16GB file. Thank you for watching. If my video was helpful, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.